This Christian rap game is crazy, most of it's slovenly, lazy. Put it in the same category as rape and aborted babies. Means it's deadly and sinful. These MCs, they seem vengeful. These secular cats ain't got no brains, not enough for a thimble. 9 years full of stressed, empty nations, low expectations. Fraudulent Africans and Caucasians leading to murders, frustrations. Not in the mood to play, might as well set myself on fire today. Your head so full of cheap gimmicks, sell some Amway. I will come out looking like Meshack anyway. You can't stop me. God will execute headshots for this hypocritical mockery. Your last words before your blood hits the floor. You wanna settle the score? Since when did my Lord Jesus Christ rip the set so hardcore? Why is the 6th level of Hades filled with so many MCs? With the lips ripped from the mouth, punishment for the vocal disease. Now you're asking me what happened to the holy, the humble. Realize guys like 1,000 Afro Thunders are ready to rumble. You think that you hold that right? You that Christian MC, Jesus Christ, yo, you think that you hold that right? The problem with MCs today is style ones out of a substance. The lyrics born of devil's offspring leaves me straight repugnant. But eyes and mind, the man is a lyricist. You ripped it. Let me kick it one time. You go get the gold Willy Wonka ticket. So stick it when the sun does shine down from one time. My rhymes receive Oscars. Yours is better left over the pantomime. Set up those high ones 10 times an hour. Hurdle those. Check your flotation device before you left upside down vertical. Embedded in fire and brimstone hot 10,000 degrees. While the fingernails of lost souls scratch your face and laugh when it bleeds. While MCs on land stand and complain about style deliveries. While millions go to hell in a handbasket from corrupt ministries. All in the name of being dope, becoming nice on the track. Yo, let's get the fact exact and stop fuse between when I support the underground. Too many MCs coming dapper. Help group records blow up before Brandon gets all the good rap. Hey, I'm gonna keep going. Catch me if you can, I'm getting banned from my stand. Snatched up my back up. Full of lyrics for this slam, my contraband gets the scan from the wild civic clan. Check the blueprint plan from the outcast, from the sand. Not the man, you criticals get cut from umbilical before you pop again. Now I got you looking quizzical. I never run, what, I never ran from a challenge. Now watch your eyes as I transform from quiet storm, sunshine to red dawn. I'm making these cats wild like my name was